Redmi has launched its latest Redmi Note 9 Pro in the Note series. Note 9 Pro has its own major upgrades when compared to existing Note 8 Pro. In this video, we are going to see the features and improvements made in this phone. Redmi has built this phone with a new fresh and premium look with both front and back. This phone, designed with 6.67 inch with a resolution of Full HD Plus display, and you will get a 20:9 aspect ratio. Redmi has used the IPS LCD display and covered with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 for protection in both front and back. With this phone, you can get a 60Hz display for better user experience. Redmi has designed this phone with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G chipset. This chipset will perform better in this price range segment. 720G chipset built with the 8nm fine fabrication process and contains Cryo 465 CPU, Arduino 618 GPU and Hexagon 692 processor for its better AI performance. Note 9 Pro has an overall weight of around 209 grams, yes 209 grams, height of around 165.75 mm, width around 76.68 mm and a thickness of about 8.8 mm. In the top of the phone, you can find a 2 microphone for the noise cancellation and IR blaster 2. In the bottom of the phone, you will find 3.5mm audio jack, USB Type-C charging port and a single bottom opening speaker. Redmi has designed this phone with a triple card slot where you can use dual nano SIM which will support dual volt connection. Also, you can expand your storage up to 512GB with a micro SD slot to store your music, photos and documents. Redmi Note 9 featured with P2I splash-proof nano coating technology to ensure your device is protected against accidental splashes and spills. Nowadays, most of the phones are going through side-mounted fingerprint scanner design. Note 9 Pro also designed with side-mounted fingerprint scanner only. This fingerprint scanner will perform good with the Snapdragon 720D chipset. Redmi has designed this phone with a huge massive battery of about 5020 mAh, and you can charge this battery with a Type-C charging port. In the box, Redmi added 18W 3.0 fast charger in the box content itself. Note 9 Pro designed with a quad camera setup. Primary camera comes up with 48 megapixel f1.7 Samsung ISOCELL GM2 sensor. This sensor is an upgrade of existing ISOCELL GM1 sensor. Another 8 megapixel for ultra wide angle, 5 megapixel for macro shots, 2 megapixel for depth effects photos. Also, Redmi has included a dedicated Pro Color mode for capturing Pro images and a Pro Video mode for video capturing. In the front, you can find 16 megapixel in-display selfie camera designed with the f2.2 aperture where we can get decent enough selfie images. This phone comes up with the latest MIUI 11 designed over on Android 10 OS. MIUI 11 has most of the power pack features and we will cover all the features in our future videos. Hello guys, this is Rizwan and you are hearing me on Riz Talkies. If you do like this video, press thumbs up and also hit notification button by hitting subscribe and bell button to get notified on my future videos.